How to get $80 Walmart promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Walmart promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Walmart. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can see that $10 off, $50 off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. So here is the code, copy it, then click on Redeem at Walmart. You will be directed to the official website of Walmart. Now you can browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase. Proceed to checkout, and while in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Walmart. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Walmart. Well, this way you can easily get $80 Walmart promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.